Imagine a future where human brains are not just born but built, layer by layer, cell by cell. 3D bioprinting has already achieved incredible feats, from printing skin grafts to organ-like tissues. But can we print a functional human brain? Let's dive into the science behind this mind-blowing idea. 3D bioprinting uses specialized bioinks made of living cells to construct tissues layer by layer. Scientists have already printed mini-organs known as organoids, which mimic real organ functions on a small scale. But when it comes to the brain, things get infinitely more complex. Printing a functional brain isn't just about stacking neurons together. It's about precisely recreating the brain's billions of neural connections. Each neuron needs to be positioned correctly, form functional synapses, and communicate through electrical signals. Current technology can print brain organoids, mini-brains used to study diseases, but these are far from a real thinking brain. Some researchers believe AI-powered bioprinters could one day map and print entire neural networks, potentially leading to artificial or enhanced human brains. Others are looking into biomaterials that can self-assemble into complex structures, mimicking brain development. While we are decades away from a fully functional 3D printed brain, these advancements could revolutionize medicine, offering solutions for brain injuries, neurodegenerative diseases, and even brain augmentation. So can we 3D print a human brain? Right now the answer is not yet, but with AI, biomaterials, and neural engineering, the possibility is on the horizon. What do you think? Could 3D printing eventually create artificial intelligence inside a biological brain? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more incredible biotech trends.